Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah. Okay, brother. We're gonna look at Bitcoin and what's happened today and the price. As you see, the price coming down. Let me look like it. Let me put the normal candles. Okay, and as we see, the price did broke this trend line here, and it went all the way to the next, which is I think is a place area of interest, and it bounced, it got rejected, and it came back to the resistance, which is we had this for a long time now. It came again and rejected there again, it bounced again, it went up, but it didn't go all the way up. It just went to build the momentum to break the trend line, which is they hold it for a long time at the moment. So it did that. Okay, so it did broke the trend line, the resistance, the support, which is have here, which used to be resisted before it break it that way. Now I'm looking at this, and you think that the price will turn here and go back up. So let's see what we can look all together. Let's go back a little bit. If we go back a little bit, we notice that we had this trend line I had in my chart for a long time now, a couple months now. If we extend this one now, let's extend it. When we extend this one now, this channel, if we extend it, we find that the Bitcoin it did respect the top, the resistance one, even though it broke it around here. But you see that it broken and it touched it and it went up to another level resistance, then it come back, and this area, this line here, it acts as a support, and we see that it support one time, it support a second time, and then it went back again and break it higher, get higher, and come back again and hit. We are at that area, so it look like 1, 2, 3. If we go back, maybe we have a 4. Okay, so it was 3 act as a resistance. Okay, so from price action of this, I can say that you may be right. You have more chance to be right that Bitcoin to turn around and give us another the leg there. So this one here, it will give you that one, which is pretty green. Okay, it will give you this one, and you can make a good profit, which is I think you can make it easy with nearly 20%. That's one scenario happen, and this is we assume that this here, which is act resistance, this line here, trend line here, will hold on. And as we look now, I'm looking at the 4 hours chart, and I'm looking is show the if you can, we can zoom here, yeah, and you see that area we got these candles. Okay, and this candle, if we will finish this 4 hours sorry, if we will finish it this 4 hours, and we can register this candle how it look at, then this is a sign of reverse, so that the Bitcoin will reverse back and go back to this way. And it will depend with the volume. Let's look at the volume. See that candle here, it was like really good volume. so the momentum is to go down for. So if the buyer will be able to hold on and resist and finish it with these candles, okay, then most likely the Bitcoin will reverse from here and either will go back at this area as a resistance again, like it did this way here, chop, or it will just, but most likely will, if it will reverse here, it will be really good 20% profit, which is we talk about next week. Okay, another scenarios, it will, this now, because it did one time, second time, probably the third time, now it will, what it will do, it will build another candle here and come all the way to this channel here. Okay, inshallah. So it come down and break it, and we're talking about 14%. Okay, so that's one scenario we look at. Let's remove now. This move that what we want is this one, but the price action at the moment, it gives us hope. And the second thing we can look at is EMA moving average, yeah, and like we see that 4 hours is crossed here. So the yellow cross the blue line, which is a larger time, small time cross the larger time, and it faces down. So that way that it says to us that this trend going down, price will go down according to the moving average. Okay, so moving average, we will wait until it cross the yellow line, cross the blue line, to give us a green light to buy back. But at the moment, it shows that this is selling, the price will keep going down. Another evidence, this is RVI, yeah, and it shows that is low and sign of turn around. Okay, so from this one, this is a buy signal here. Okay, so but let's see the confirmation. So the confirmation of the trend line with this one here, this indicator, is show that we have a reason to go long. In the same way, RSI is support RVI, and it supported at this trend line here, so that it's oversold. So it means that people, they is oversold, overbought. So overbought, anyway, one of that, which is, this is really oversold. Okay, so it should turn around and reverse because it's below 20. So the RSI show that is oversold, so expect reversal. So that channel also reversal, and this here show reversal. So we have a three reversal. That's it. That I'm using one show continuity of downtrend. So, and another indicator which is I'm using here is a money flow. So is the money, where the money is, and you can see that also is really low. Yeah, so what I normally do of these indicators, I'm looking at the high of that and draw, wait, draw this line, but I'm normally doing on. Okay, before I do that, okay, so these all three show that there's a chance that the Bitcoin will reverse from that. And we see that because this area also, if we look careful, let's show you again. If you look careful, this area here, see that this area here, see this area is very good, also very for 4 hours is good area, which is because he has a resistance. Here support, it breaking here again, and then there he has a resistance again, and then support. So is an area which is it bounce so many times in 4-hour chart. So because of that reason, so that's also we go with here, we go trend line and another trend line, support line at the moment, which is already supported 3 times. Like I said to you, same like that's a 3 times in the trend line support. That this one we look at that 3 times the price came to this area, it acted as a support and bounce. So last time we did we get this one here, and then it went all the way to 17%. So like I said to you, we may get this back again. At least you can get this from here, you can get up here at least 7%. Okay, so that area is another support. So we go another sign here. So here 4 1. So 4 things show us that it will reverse. 1 thing is show that no, that the trend will continue downfall. Okay, what I'll do, this is, I like to use this another type of candles, which is it give me different way how I look at the market. Okay, it's not like a normal candles. Is a Heikin-Ashi is another type of Japanese candles, which is it reduces the noisy, so many noisy in the market. So it's just telling you the price now they're going down, or price going up. Yeah, and if you can see it break there, touch it. We have that our 3 touches, perfect. This one is show more clear. So it was going down, and you see the momentum before we reach that area, it increase it compared with this candle here, but we didn't get it as strong as this one here. So in that price here, it show that the price will hit and continue to go down, because 75% when you have a red candle here in Heikin-Ashi, the next one will be another red candles. Okay, so is a probability of it is 75%. So we have a 75% chance of the red candle to be red candles. Okay, so because this area of interest where price is related that as a support and resistance few times in 4 hours, then we give it benefit of doubt that it will change the direction. But I will not do anything until I see green candles from Heikin-Ashi here, then I can go long. At the moment it is down, is going down. So we go 2 and we go 4, which is reverse. And I normally trade this one. I mean, when I'm looking at this one, I look with a 10 EMA. So if a 20, sorry, if a 20 mm, if the price is above 20 EMA and the EMA point up and the candle is green above the line, then I go long. Okay, and if it's below and the candle is red and point down, I will go short, meaning I will sell it. Okay, but even though that way, but you can see the price pull far from the line, and you can see most of the time when the price pull it will come back to the line to report this line, because this what is the price doing. You will see it was close to the line, it went so up, but it come back to the line again. So time to time the price will come to where the line is, either way, if it was going down trend or will go uptrend. Like this one is uptrend, you see the price how it was doing, and now downtrend, and you see the price it left the moving average far, so it will come to back to it, either to touch it or to break it. So that's a sign here. Now we may get it pull back, but a small pullback, I mean about here, so 6% up, so that it can come in to get permission from the moving average. Okay, and when I do this one said you take most of noise out, and you can see it that it's more clear. Everything here now is oversold. Yeah, so the price looking to reverse. And if you look at like a Bitcoin, like a money flow, how much money, this is a time where very low flow of money in the Bitcoin. Last time he did that when the price was here. We see May 25th May, before we get this powerful uptrend, we had that below, you see that, and we didn't get again until now. So let's go back again. See we see that area. Look, let me just have it all this where it is. No, I didn't want that. I want to see that as a whole. Okay, you see the price. Yeah, this money flow, it showed that it went so far. So last time we had this one, that area that far is in a February time, for 4 hours. February time, the last time it hit that flow, I mean the money being removed from money flow to Bitcoin. Yeah, so this indicator show that is prepare for reverse. Yeah, we did have a few on May before we start to go uptrend. Yeah, so like I said, this one shows that's also very strong. We're gonna go up, inshallah. Alhamdulillah. I think I make a long than what I thought I will do, because I just want to explain things, but because I didn't look, I just came down, I'm looking myself, I'm just see what we will do. I think we will go to we're waiting for a green candle there, and once we get a green candle in 4 hours with Heikin-Achi green candle, then the next candle if it's green, then we're gonna buy and expect to get this long. Everything show that we are in a really good position to get it, like at least 20%. Let's go back to normal candles and see what's happened. The battle will continue here as we see it, and do you remember when we was discussed here, was this candle was green, now it turned red. It doesn't matter, if it's green or red at that point. What we just want to see what candle it is. Okay, is it doji, or and how it look? Is it like hammer candles will form at this point, and that's a sign of reverse. So the Bitcoin will reverse. Okay, so if you want to buy, if you patient, you can wait to green candles, or you can buy a little bit more expensive, but it will go up. Or you can buy there and with a stop loss around that area. But like I say, I will wait the next candle. So now 2 hours, inshallah. If you have a chart, try to do the same chart like I do this one, how I see, and see how it's going. And if you see a change, you can let me know, so we all can be in there. Because I bought in here and I'm supposed to sell it, but I didn't sell it. I invested in something else, which is I will come and explain to you. I found some I invested to my Bitcoin to one of the company, and they give me 3% every single day. And I'm just gonna go find some food now and spend my family eating time. And if I have a time tomorrow, inshallah, I will make a video about that company. It's more as a test the water, test the company, is it true, because that deal is very good deal, 3% every day you get it. And I started out with 4 days, and I get every day my 3% of Bitcoin I put it, I get it. Okay, and inshallah I will show you guys, but I'm showing you that we have to invest together, not invest it, but investigate, because it's very, very, very dangerous. There's a possibility to lose all your money on it. It's like same as a crypto. Okay, but I put my money, so the one I buy here, all the money I put back to the company, and it give me 3% every day. So I wasn't be able, what I was planning to get 25%, which is if I sell there I will get 25%, but it wasn't not gonna be true to get this one. Probably I will get here, which is 18%. You're not gonna sell on the top, or you're not gonna buy from the bottom. If you wait that, then you're always gonna lose. Just make it a target. If here now you wanna buy, you buy here, 11% first target. Okay, and put your stop loss about that. So let's do it there. So that's a stop loss, and here's your buyer, which let's make a green. That's where you buy, and this one will be your first target, and that's your second target. So, and then you will get like the first target is 10%. I would take a first target there, second target where this area, where the resistance area. So you get that one, you get 11%, and that you do that. But if the price reach here, sell it with losing 5%. If you want to do it, inshallah. Anything, if I say something is wrong, or you think like the idea is we may get crash from it, I'm willing to listen and learn it, because of the idea, important thing for us to learn about it and help each other. I know you're my brothers. What you can tell me is what you think, and and I can tell you what I'm thinking. So I may be wrong or right, but that's how I see it. Maybe my ignorance of the situations make me not see it, but this is how it is. So if your brother you want to buy, make sure that you have a stop, because if it break here, then the next one is down there, and Bitcoin, if you break here, will go at least 20%. So I'm thinking like even if you put that one, you will take out. So just selling here and waiting when there's another move. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.